Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi! My name is Natasha and it is fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at the Mystical Tarot of the Saints. This is by Psychic Nathe, hopefully I'm pronouncing these names correctly. Artwork by Cristina Scagliotti. Hopefully, like I said, I'm saying those names correctly. I do apologize if I am not. So this is an independent deck retailing for $55, and I will let you know exactly where to purchase this down below in the description box. The packaging looks very nice. Thank you so much to Psychic Nathe for sending this my way. I am excited. So let's get into it. Original tarot created with the influence of the saints. The minor arcanas include pips that relate to an alchemical element, as well as saints for each one of the courts. The major arcanas fully embody a saint. The deck can be used for divination, meditation, or magical manifestations. The 78 cards figures give you the best interpretation of occult science, symbolism, and the power of the saints. Awesome. So right off the bat, just letting you know, I know nothing about the saints. I know some names, and that's pretty much about it. So I'm going into this completely blind, just kind of appreciating the artwork and the quality here and the information that it can give to us. So let's take a look at the guidebook. We've got the information of each card here, goes straight into it. And the same with the minor arcanas. Awesome. Oh, we do have some spreads back here as well. We have the past, present, and future, and past, obstacle, and future. And we have a relationship spread as well as path to resolution. Awesome. And oh, message from the saints using the major arcana only. Very cool. Nice quality. I like it. Very high gloss. And we'll dive deeper into that guidebook after we flip through here. So here's the back. Very, the word I'm looking for is illuminated here. I like the artwork here. Very regal. Quality of the cards. It's on the thinner side, but it's not like super thin. Very flexible. Snaps back. I'm not mad at this. I think it'll shuffle really nice. And it is a slight gloss, but I wouldn't call it a high gloss. I like the size as well. So let's get into it. Looks like the major arcana has the saint's name as well as the title and the number. So this is Saint Expedite for the Fool. Love the art style. Saint Cyprian. Mary Magdalene. That's really pretty. Saint Helena. Saint Louis or Louis. Saint Peter, heard of him. Saint Valentine, heard of him as well. Saint Christopher. Love that. Saint Michael, so Justice is number 8 in this deck. I'm getting those intuitive hits, even though I don't know who these people's stories are. So that's fantastic. We have Saint Onofre. Saint Catherine. Saint Martha. Saint Sebastian. La Muerte. Saint Cecilia. It's beautiful. Fallen Angel. Saint Barbara. Three Kings. Love that for the star. We have Mary for the moon. Sweet. Jesus for the sun. Makes complete sense to me. And then we have Saint Gabriel for judgment. And Saint Francis. I've heard of him as well. Okay, so I did know a few of those saints. That's awesome. I think this is beautifully rendered. Perfect for those of you who are very knowledgeable about, Christianity, Catholicism, and wanting to utilize that within your practice, or if you are even deconstructing and wanting to kind of utilize what you know of the faith and, kind of help that be a transition into what you are doing now. We're in the Suit of Cups. So far, I'm really loving this. I think that there's a lot here that even if, like me coming from somebody who's not well versed in this, I can understand what's going on, pick up those intuitive hits, and it makes complete sense to me. So for those of you who are on the same wavelength as me and are drawn to the art style and want to know more about it, highly recommend checking this out. Very cool. Or if you use saints in your witchcraft practices, because there are those Christian witches and Catholic witches out there, this would be perfect for you too. Great for meditation. Okay, so then we have pages here. Francisco, Lucia, and Jacinta. Oh my gosh. Forgive me. Jacinta. So cute. Saint Lawrence for a Knight of the Cups. Saint Elizabeth for the Queen of the Cups. And Saint Benedict for King of Cups. Yeah, the art just feels very gentle, loving, dare I say holy. Like it does feel very ethereal, but in like a very magical way. Now we're in the coins. Very cool. Oh, look at that in the background. Is that amethyst clusters? Very cool. Ooh. This would be a really good companion to the Angels and Auras Oracle. Oh. That's Saint Honore or Honor. Then we have St. Matthew, St. Hedwig, and St. Balthazar. Oh, cute camel. And the suit of wands, in this case it is staffs. Yeah, I really love the imagery. The art style is beautiful. I don't really have anything to complain about. Oh, at first I thought they were laughing. That's why I was laughing. Like he was giving him a noogie or whatever. But the more I look at it, the more it looks a little bit more nefarious. Have I told you lately that my eyesight is bad? No. Wasn't expecting to see a dragon in this. That's cool. St. Luke for Page of Wands. St. Anthony for Knight of Wands. St. Guinevere for the Queen of Wands. And St. Joseph. And lastly, we have swords here. Oh, I like that. Ooh. St. Martin for the Page of Swords. St. Paul for the Knight. Joan of Arc for the Queen. Love that. Was not expecting that. And then we have St. George for the swords. Very cool. We have audio files and then a book here. Awesome. Okay, I'm going to leave those out while I shuffle here. Oh, yeah. Okay. Yeah, it shuffles beautifully. I don't have an issue at all. Okay, and then this test here. Oh yeah, it slips really nice. Can I get a card to read, please? Okay. I'm going to read for the 9 of Chalices or the 9 of Cups. Okay, here we go. In this card, we see a satisfied man sitting on the center page and holding one of the 9 golden cups in his hands. The cup is filled with the golden liquid that is perhaps Felix Felicis, the potion of liquid luck. Since this card is the card of great luck and wishes coming true, or wishes come true, it's not impossible at all. The background has a big cathedral, a bright blue sky, and a blooming peach or possibly orange tree. All symbols for happiness, good luck, and wishes coming true. When this card comes up in a love reading, it's a sure sign that carnal pleasure and satisfactory eroticism are going to take place in the very near future. If you're wondering if your feelings are returned, the answer is they are. This is a very potent and lucky card to come in a love reading, as it is the card of satisfaction, joy, and carnal pleasures. When this card comes up in a financial reading, you're getting lucky. This is a card of winning and of gain, so you can rest assured that the near future holds a small fortune for you. Rejoice. When this card comes up in a professional reading, it means that your luck is getting increased and that any business deals, ideas, or ventures you had in mind are getting realized and finalized. You can expect great success from your business ventures, and you can even expect to have a blast during the celebration afterward. All right. Yeah, and we have the same format throughout for the major arcana too. Very cool. And we do have a little bit about the saints. Not a whole lot, but a little bit in the guidebook as well. So all in all, I think this is beautifully done. I really love the art style. And I think that if you are somebody who is gravitating toward this, absolutely check it out. Check the website out. It's very well done. I am excited to get to know it a lot better. Thank you so much to Psychic Nathe for sending this my way. I am really intrigued and I cannot wait to start working with it more. So with that being said, what do you guys think about this deck? Is this something that you are interested in, excited about? Is this something that you find that you can connect to? Let me know all of your thoughts down below in the comment section. Thank you for hanging out with me today. I love you and I like you. And if you haven't done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.